Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. So the company that has been hitting the headlines in the last couple of days is Tesla, as the company and Elon Musk are tipping the scales yet again with new milestones. The market value of the electric vehicle maker reached over $600 billion yesterday as it prepares to enter the S&P on the 21st of December. The stock recorded a record high of just over $640 a share and a growing market cap by over $220 billion. And that's not all for the company, as reports that Tesla could soar another 300% in the next 3 years as it expands outside the tech and auto industry. There seems to be no substance for competition for electric vehicles at the moment, and evolution outside of cars is looking to be discussed further as we go into 2021. So it's basically the main company when you think of electric vehicles, electric transportations, and the future of electric automobiles. That is Tesla. So, we spoke about previous stock watches such as Daimler and BMW that were trying to get into the electric hybrid industry. They are doing, but it's taken a longer time than what a lot of other companies are doing, and obviously Tesla is ahead of the game in this instance. So they're also looking to add insurance to their vehicle cover as well, which could catapult Tesla stock prices even further, and the obvious evolution of being the top tech leader looks ominous at the moment. So added to this, recent reports in the last few hours that Tesla has unveiled a $5 billion capital raise, its second such move in a few months, as it cashes in further on its meteoric rise. So this will send prices down initially when the market opens, or it should do. So those people or those traders that have been looking at a sell-off can see what might come into fruition when we take a look at the markets now. So the last time I looked at Tesla a couple of weeks ago, it was obviously on its bullish ascendancy. It's such an amazing meteoric rise since the first wave of the pandemic took hold in March. But we're seeing a little bit now. I noted the recent peaks before. It's obviously gone through them, but now I've noticed the next peak before we had a bit of a pullback, and now what I'm seeing is on the momentum indicator a little bit of exhaustion. So with this, if we do have a bit of a sell-off in the shares when the market does open in a few hours, we could see it start to pull back, and this will be my first target. So basically, once the market opens, I'll be looking to see if it starts falling down. Then I'll probably put a sell stop at this price, roughly just over the $600 mark, and then see if we can have a little bit more of a downturn based on the news that we've just had. So if we do get a bit more of negative news, well, not negative news, but news in the fact that the share price will go downwards, then I'll be looking into these figures at the moment. Let's just take a quick look on the 4-hour chart for the intraday. And so the Ichimoku cloud is a little bit closer to the prices at the moment. It was obviously a bit of an engulfment here before we saw some ascendancy, and this ascendancy came on most of the technology sector companies, obviously with headlines about the pandemic coming out as well. This boosted a lot of tech stocks as well. So we've had the first vaccination in the UK today. Will we see other countries follow suit? And obviously, will this catapult certain stocks up to better meteoric rises again? So Tesla's in focus at the moment for obvious reasons. But, if we look at the technical side of it, it looks like not much is slowing down at the moment. We've got another slight bearish divergence here, which could bring prices slightly lower. So I'll just be looking when the trading session opens, if this capital raise of $5 billion really affects the market, and if it's going to keep pushing lower in the short term as well. So just something to look out for Tesla. Obviously, it's probably one of the best performing tech stocks this year for sure, and we're hitting record highs with it again and again. So something to look out for if we see a little bit of exhaustion with certain oscillators and indicators as well. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Keep your eye on Tesla and obviously other automobile companies that are looking to get into the energy green field as well. And have a good trading day ahead, and bye for now.